Are you looking for a powerful way to track and organize important items and stay on top of all sorts of obligations? Look no further than Google Tasks. Unfortunately, most people overlook this service or are unaware of its existence, but with the right advanced add-ons, Google Tasks can make your life easier. For starters, I'll let you in on a little secret. You can grab that narrow little tasks interface right out of your inbox and plop it into its own individual tab by simply entering the right link. Another option is a Chrome extension called Full Screen for Google Tasks. It gives you a simple link in your browser's extension menu which opens an app-like version of the basic Tasks interface right in your browser. And if you want even easier ongoing access to your Google Tasks info, check out the Quick Tasks extension. This tool will put all your pending chores into a handy pop-up panel that's never more than a click or keystroke away. If you want to save a website into tasks for later revisiting, give the Send to Google Tasks Chrome extension a try. It adds a button into your browser's extension menu and the right-click context menu that lets you send whatever page you're viewing straight into Tasks. Finally, there's Tasks Board, the most advanced tasks tool. It's a browser-based desktop app that allows you to view and organize your tasks info in the form of a Trello-like Kanban board. You can drag and drop tasks from one column to another, and you can also upgrade to its premium plan for advanced features like list/board sharing, custom colors, and more. These advanced add-ons will help you get the most out of Google Tasks, so what are you waiting for? Try them out today and take your organization to the next level.